Hey guys, quick boost for today. Week 2, day 2, just finished out our home workout. Thank you very much. And so as I was talking about during today's workout, I want to help you guys establish how to develop a routine, a habit. And generally for me, it's typically doing the same things at the same times each day. So much so to where if you don't do it, you feel like your schedule, your routine is messed up. For example, brushing your teeth. Generally, most people brush their teeth either in the morning and or at night, but you don't really see a lot of people brushing their teeth in the middle of the day. It's just what we're used to doing. It's a habit. It's almost like, when we put our when we put our key in the ignition without thinking, we turn it on because that's what just comes next. And so try to develop your routine in a way that you do this, you do this, you do that, you do this. And the more you develop habitual patterns like this, the easier it is to have your time set aside to do these workouts or whatever the main activity for the day is. All right. So go ahead and take care of today's workout. If you have not already, if you have, I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's Quick Boost. Have a good one.